feel like shit for like saying I was gonna keep pace. I never did. Wait, why are you pulling over?
I want someone else to lead now.
Oh, what the fuck? Bro, I think I'm going last, bro.
You gonna keep up with us?
Nah, fuck nah, dude. That shit was hella sketch, dude. I'm not even joking. I felt my ass fucking fly, bro. The tail of my car, bro. Oh my god.
You brake like the brakes for the side too. Yeah.
I'm gonna be behind you guys now, dude.
Dude, that guy is on your fucking. I can't catch up, dude.
Oh really?
No, I mean, I'm scared. I'm scared.
I was scared as shit too, bro. Oh my
That
god,
guy's
bro.
pushing the fuck out of you, though. Bro.
Oh my god, dude. I'm not even joking. I thought I was gonna die 2 times, dude. I felt my ass shake out
I was
of
like,
fucking lane,
you
dude.
guys should probably stay off. I wonder what happened over there.
Fucking dead
Dude,
I did, motherfucker. I was scared as shit, bro.
genuinely drifting.
Where was it? Was it that one big one?
It was the big ass. Okay, when you go 20 on the big ass hook, the horseshoe. I think further up, I just felt my ass just chip out. I was like, oh fuck no, dude. And the fender road was hitting too, so I was like, nah, dude, I'm gonna oversteer at one of these.
I was waiting for seat mass. I'm like, what the fuck are they?
I know, dude. I was paced, bro.
Yeah, that's the main reason I was going.
I was scared when I saw the car. I was like,
so
shit.
far behind.
I was like, dude, they definitely heard us. They definitely heard us down the fucking mountain.
Hey, who wants to lead now? Who wants to lead?
Should we meet up at Lake Berry or what?
We're going to the glory hole. I'm going to the glory hole.
You lead, I'll follow.
You know where we are, right?
Yeah, I know where we're at.
The glory hole is not that far from me.
No.
All we gotta do is go straight.
Yeah.
Glory hole's that way?
Yeah. I fucking went in here. I lost grip. My car was just. I'm like, what's going on?
I saw you fucking going everywhere. I was like, the fuck is he doing? It just got so hot, bro. Like when I was fucking hitting.
I'm gonna fucking. Oh yeah, they.
By the end, when I was like hitting every single corner, it was just straight up sliding. Like they was melting.
Like I was gripping, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna oversteer at one of these points, dude. I was scared, dude. Oh, fuck. Whew. Ah, something to calm me down, bro. Fuck. Corvette's going hella slow because dude, he is pushing major fucking power, and I'm not gonna lie, I understand why he's not pushing it. Holy shit, this is a crazy ass corner. god. Ugh. Turn off the hazards now. Hey, actually, man, I didn't see them behind me at all. That shit is fucking crazy, man. Holy shit. Bro, y'all were mashing that bitch, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god, you guys should see my fucking reaction to that shit.
What? The fucking CRV?
Dude, that overtake, yeah, that overtake was nasty, bro.
Please tell me you got that.
I got everything, bro. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit.
Were you behind? I didn't think he was gonna try to let me in front, and then he's like waving.
I was behind you, yeah. I was
Okay,
behind.
fuck, okay.
Motherfucker, a demon in the CRV, bro. I was cruising with the Miata, bro. Man, we ended up cruising at the end, bro. He was gone, dude. He was fucking gone.
You realize how loud my tires were screaming. I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, dude. Sure, everything's good. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh. Alright. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Go to the front, you smell it.
What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing?
Huh?
Oh shit, you actually do have one.
I told you. I saw you guys at the one long straightaway down there. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I was kind of waiting.
That was where I like last saw you guys, and then I was like, "Fuck, bro, I gotta get up there." But, like
Yeah.
everybody else was going like way slower, and so I was like, "Okay, shit, where do I pass?"
Yeah.
So then I passed this motherfucker coming out of the corner, bro. Oh my God.
I was like, there's no way, dude. I can't wait to edit this video, bro.
My uphill passing is so shit too, bro. I was like flooring it, and I literally gained like 5 miles per hour.
Yeah, the Corvette, he was, honestly, I can't blame him, dude. He was scared, dude.
I saw him fucking slide when he was like barely even on it, bro.
Yeah. You stand in front. It blows up. Oh shit! Oh shit! It's a crazy you. Oh! That, oh shit! But that. Oh shit! Dude, that's fucking.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
Let me see that. Is that the muffler?
Yes, sir. I did that. I took that off, sir.
It's just oh, there's not one but two. That's crazy work, bro. Hit up mechanic Marco right here.
Go.
It's like a big ass dildo in there. Like,
Hey, yo, what's that? What's that? Hold
oh
on.
wait, oh, that's an umbrella. That's him.
No, don't think he ever really knew me. I have run quite a distance, so in some ways I'm truly different. In some way I kept my soul. I got time if you want me to freeze up. I'm new now, I found the flow. I'ma need you to keep up. Not slowing down anymore.
What you want, don't ever call me a side. You know what I want, girl, I'm tryna make you mine. Hey, yo, excuse me, please don't confuse me. Within my cup, I keep my
Hey, what happened? What happened?
Ah, shit, pop.
I wonder why.
We
I
on
wa-
fucking wires, bitch.
I
Check
wonder
the other side.
why.
Check the other side.
I don't want to check the other side. Sir, that is not good.